morning children. As you know, we have already started revision part and today I am going to revise chapter 2 from MCB. Its name is Sunshine Hill. So let me introduce characters of this chapter. So Rahul is the main character of this story and we have his aunt. His aunt name is Pinky. Now we have his friends. In this story, Rahul has 3 friends. A girl named Nisha, Fishy, Fish and Ducky, Duck. So Rahul has 3 friends in this story. Children, it was month of April. Rahul and his family moved into a cottage at Sunshine Hill. They liked the clean surroundings of Sunshine Hill. He wrote a letter to his aunt telling her all the description and beauty of Sunshine Hill. He wrote in his letter that he has fresh air, he has clean water and he has green surroundings. He told that he has 3 friends named Nisha, Fishy Fish and Ducky Duck. And he also wrote in his letter that his aunt should come or visit at Sunshine Hill. But in the month of May, everything got changed because people who were visiting Sunshine Hill, they were just throwing garbage here and there. They were littering Sunshine Hill. So Rahul became very disappointed with this activity of human being. So again in the month of May, he wrote a letter to his aunt. He told in his letter that I am very disappointed, I am very unhappy because people who are visiting Sunshine Hill, they are throwing garbage here and there, they are littering Sunshine Hill. So I am very disappointed. Next morning, his aunt came to his house. So when next morning his aunt came, she gave him 4 signboards. And in 4 signboards, he wrote following things. So, let's see. In first signboard, he wrote, please do not pluck flowers. Okay. In first signboard, he wrote, please do not pluck flowers. And in next or in second signboard, he wrote an appeal. You visit this place, but we leave here. Okay. He wrote, you visit this place, but we live here. Okay. You enjoy spending time here, but this is our home. You enjoy spending time here, but this is our home. And he wrote, please help us keep it clean. He wrote, please help us keep it clean. Now in third signboard, he wrote, please do not litter. Okay. In third signboard, he wrote that please do not litter. And in fourth signboard, he wrote, please keep the pond clean. Okay. In fourth signboard, he wrote that please keep the pond clean. So like this, when people came again there, they started following these signboards. They started throwing their garbage in dustbin so that they can live healthy life and so that they can also enjoy neatness of Sunshine Hill. So student, from this chapter we learn that we should also keep our surrounding neat and clean. We should have clean surroundings so that we can live healthy. We can be healthy. So children, you have to keep your surrounding neat and clean so that you can be healthy, so that your family can be healthy. Okay children, hope you understood the summary of this chapter. Now we will take some objective types of question for this chapter. Okay. Now children, we are going to revise chapter 2 from MCB. Okay. Chapter 2 is all about nature. As I have told you summary of the chapter, it is all about nature. Okay, Rahul is the main character of this chapter. So here we have some MCQ based on chapter 2. Okay, so let's see here. First one is, where did Rahul and his family moved into? Okay, where did Rahul and his family moved into? Okay, first option is into a kingdom at Sunshine Hill, into a mall at Sunshine Hill, into a cottage at Sunshine Hill, or into a garden at Sunshine Hill. So tell me, what is the correct option? The correct option is this one, into a cottage at Sunshine Hill. Okay, see next one. To whom did Rahul write the letter? Okay, to whom he wrote a letter. Okay, so options are here: to his friend, to his family, to his cousin, or to his aunt. Tell me the correct option. To his aunt. Okay, now see next one. Rahul liked Sunshine Hill because there was a lot of sunshine, there were many trees, the surroundings were clean, there were many animals. Okay, tell me the correct option. Correct option is this one. The surroundings were neat and clean. Okay, now see next one. Aunt Pinky lived dash. Okay, Aunt Pinky lived dash. Okay, so near a lake, in a place called Lakeview, on the other side of the hill, or near a dam. Okay, so tell me which one is the correct option. In a place called Lakeview. Okay, now see next one. Rahul's 3 friends were. Okay, who were the friends of Rahul? So a fish, a cow, and a duck. This one is the option? No. A bird, a fish, and a duck. Yes, this one is the correct option. Okay, now see next one. What did Rahul's aunt give to him? Okay, what did Rahul's aunt give to him? Okay, see the options. A chocolate, a packet of chips, a bottle of juice, or 4 signboards. Okay, so tell me which one is the correct option. 4 signboards. Okay, now see next one. Butterflies stopped coming to Sunshine Hill because there were many crows there were no flowers, the visitors had spoiled all the plants. Next one is what? None of the above. So tell me which one is the correct option? Because there were no flowers. Okay, now see next one. Why people stopped throwing garbage and littering Sunshine Hill? Okay, so options are here. Because they were very intelligent. Next one is because they read the signboard and followed signboard. Next one is because they understood the importance of neatness. None of the above. So tell me which one is the correct option? B1. Okay, because they read the signboard and followed signboard. Okay, now see last one. People who came for picnic. Okay, people who came for picnic. See option. Cut up the grass on the hill, left their garbage on the hill, planted trees on the hill, or all of the above. So tell me which one is the correct option. Left their garbage on the hill. Okay, so children, this was the exercise which you will see in your unit test. Okay, you have to prepare, you have to go through the chapter so that you can answer any question. Okay, hope you understood this chapter.